Hi guys, today I come with a video. So this is the Legend family. Please like, subscribe, and follow. So what's about to happen is I'm gonna put some breast milk on my boyfriend's cereal. So alright guys, so I was only able to pump, I don't know if you guys can see it, 2 ounces of milk. Not that much because Jillian's been eating and stuff. So I'm gonna get it. Stop it. So I'm gonna pour some. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the milk. This is the cereal I'm making from. And then I'm gonna pour this milk on it. That is his favorite cereal. His favorite. I'm gonna mix them together for the cereal. And let's. Okay guys, so right now I'm hiding the camera, so I put the cereal because he was sitting right there. So I'm gonna call him and then we'll see. I think he's with Jillian and stuff, so I'm gonna call him and take Jillian from him and everything. I have to shower you, Papi. You want some cereal? I got you some cereal for breakfast.
Thanks.
Yeah. What?
Why is this different?
It is the same. It's the same milk that we use all the time.
Nah, it's just different.
I gotta show you, bro. It's the same milk.
It tastes different. Hold them. It tastes different. What the hell? What kind of milk is this?
That's the milk that you used to
Oh,
have.
hell no.
The same milk.
Whew. What kind of milk is this? Damn. Yeah, that milk is different. I'm good. Oh, hell no.
You wanna know a secret? That was breast milk. I gave you some. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That was the end of the video. So he's kind of he said the milk didn't taste right and stuff. So I think I did good. So I'm gonna shower Jillian and stuff. So I'll show you his face. How was the milk?
I don't like that milk.
How was the breast milk?
Oh, that shit. It's just, I don't like them. Dang it.